Bluey and Bingo bolted out the door shouting, "Where are our friends?" The sun beamed, the grass glittered, energy buzzing like fireworks. Could adventure start this fast? Coco bounced in with ribbons, wagging her tail high. She twirled, "Let's play dancers." Bingo clapped, "I'll spin too." Bluey laughed loud, trying, then tripped on the grass. Everyone roared, "You're a funny star." Could joy explode this big? Snickers zoomed in with his toy car, horn blasting. "Hop on," he barked. Bluey jumped, arms wide, Bingo balanced, Coco cheered. The car tilted, spun, wobbled, crash. Everyone fell rolling. Could chaos sound this wild? Honey stepped forward, holding a notebook like a leader. "Mission time. We need to find the lost crown." Bluey gasped, "Where is it?" Honey pointed to the old oak tree, guarded by the shadow monster. Could mystery feel this deep? Muffin burst in roaring, "I am the monster." She waved sticks, jumped high, blocking the path. Bingo shouted, "We'll defeat you with teamwork." Coco spun ribbons like magic whips, Snickers rammed with his car, Honey shouted commands, Bluey charged fearless. Could teamwork shine this strong? Socks appeared from behind the tree, holding a shiny toy crown. "I stole it," she howled. Bluey gasped, "Give it back." Socks dashed off, everyone chasing, tails wagging, paws pounding. They leapt, slid, tumbled, finally catching her in a pile of laughter. Could chasing feel this crazy? Bluey lifted the crown high, shouting, "We did it, friends." Bingo grinned wide, "Together we win." Coco twirled, Honey clapped, Snickers honked, Muffin howled, Socks wagged. The crown sparkled in the sunlight, brighter than gold. Could victory taste this sweet? Then rain poured suddenly, soaking everyone. Bingo whispered, "Should we stop?" Bluey shouted, "Never. Rain makes it better." They danced in puddles, spun, splashed, screaming joy like storm heroes. Could courage feel this free? When the clouds parted, a rainbow curved above. Everyone stared amazed. Bluey whispered, "This is our reward." Bingo added, "For being true friends." They all howled together, voices rising. Could friendship feel this endless? Bluey turned to you, eyes glowing. If you felt the chase, the crown, the rainbow with us, hit like, subscribe, and be part of the next adventure. Maybe you will join our friendship.